Welcome to this journey of transformation. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax completely. This is your time, a moment to let go of all tension and step into a space of deep inner discovery. In this journey, you will uncover hidden beliefs about money, gently releasing what no longer serves you and embracing new, empowering truths. Let your mind open, your heart expand, and your energy flow freely. As you step forward, trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Now let's begin. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and allow yourself a moment of complete relaxation. Take a deep, calm breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through your mouth. And now, once more, deeply, slowly. Feel how with each exhale, your body relaxes and your mind becomes more and more at peace. Relax the muscles of your face. Your forehead becomes smooth and soft. Your eyelids are heavy and pleasantly relaxed. Your cheeks loosen and your jaw gently releases, as if naturally parting slightly, allowing all tension to simply flow away. Feel the muscles in your neck and shoulders relax. This entire area, which so often holds tension, is now soft and free. Your arms are becoming heavier, as if they are gently sinking down, completely free from the weight of daily life. You feel a pleasant warmth in your chest. Each breath fills your lungs with peace. With each exhale, all tensions slowly disappear. Your back relaxes, segment by segment. Your spine rests, muscles let go, and you sink even deeper into this blissful state of relaxation. Feel your abdomen gently rise and fall. You don't have to control anything. Your body naturally finds harmony. Your hips and thighs become pleasantly heavy. All the energy that was once blocked there now flows freely. You feel an increasing sense of ease. Your calves and feet become completely relaxed, as if they are melting into a pleasant warmth and lightness. And now, feel your entire body, from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. You are completely relaxed, like a gentle breeze, like the calm waves of the ocean. Your breath is steady, peaceful, pleasant. And now imagine that you are in a beautiful, peaceful place. It could be a mysterious garden or a warm, sunny beach. Or maybe it's a place you already know. One that has always given you a sense of safety. This is where your journey to discovering and transforming your beliefs about money begins. You are walking slowly along a path in your peaceful, safe place. Ahead of you, a solid, heavy gate appears. And behind it, something special. You step closer and see that built into the wall is a safe, old, solid locked. Yet you feel that inside it lies something important. Something that has been influencing your life for a long time. A key appears in your hand. You know you are ready to use it. You insert the key into the lock slowly. Turn it and hear a soft click. The safe opens, and inside you find written words, thoughts, beliefs that have been deeply rooted in your subconscious for years. Some of them are yours. Others may have come from your parents, your grandparents, or society. You reach for the first piece of paper and read. Money is the root of all evil. You pause for a moment. Have you ever believed this? Has this belief influenced your choices? You pick up another piece of paper. To be rich, you must sacrifice something: health, family, or freedom. Is this true? Does wealth really have to mean losing something valuable? You look at more writings. You can't have it all. It's either money or love and happiness. People with money are snobs and don't respect others. Having a lot of money only brings trouble. Money doesn't bring happiness. I don't have the skills to earn a lot of money. You go through these thoughts. Some feel familiar. Others may surprise you. And now take a moment. Look deeper into the safe. Is there something else? A belief that hasn't been spoken yet, but that you feel deeply within? You have time to find it, to recognize it. Because once you see it, you can change it. You are ready for transformation. The safe remains open, and you know that something is shifting. At this moment, you notice a mirror in front of you, but this is no ordinary mirror. This is the mirror of truth. You step closer and you see your reflection. But it's not just your physical image. It's a reflection of your inner self. This mirror shows you who you are without those old beliefs, without limitations, without fears. Look at yourself. Who are you without the thought that money is bad? Who are you without the fear that you don't have the skills to earn a lot of money? Who are you without the belief that wealth requires sacrifices? I will leave you for a minute to look at yourself in this mirror. Now, you are ready to leave behind the old beliefs and embrace new, supportive truths. Look yourself straight in the eyes, see the new truth in them, and repeat these affirmations to yourself. Money is energy that constantly flows through my life. I always have more money than I spend. Even as I spend it joyfully, it always returns to me. Money flows to me in streams. Thank you, subconscious mind and universe, for all the material wealth you bring me. Feel gratitude within you, gratitude for your subconscious mind, which always takes care of you, gratitude for guiding you toward abundance. You feel joy in receiving and sharing wealth. And now it's time to return. I will begin counting from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you will be fully awake, filled with energy, positive attitude, and new possibilities. 1. You feel your body becoming more aware. 2. Your breath becomes deeper. 3. Your muscles awaken, and a new, fresh energy is born within you. 4. You feel wonderful, light, ready for new opportunities. 5. Open your eyes. You are fully awake, refreshed, and ready to take action. Welcome to your new reality, a world where money supports your happiness and growth.